Got the bumpers off. There's a little bit of surface rust under the battery tray, which ain't too bad. Frame rails, great. Firewall, great. That one little bushing right there is pretty toast. Look at that, toasty. That was what it's supposed to look like. The gutter looks great. The window channel, no rust. Looks great. So that's one less thing I have to deal with. Same thing on this back one. No rust. Got a small spot here. Got some surface stuff up in here. Ain't too bad. I'll knock all of that out, no problem. Same thing over here. A little bit of there. A little bit down in there. All fixable. Won't take long. I got both quarters. Got both outer wheel wells. That one. Roof's in great condition. Floor's in great condition in this car. So overall, super surprised, man. And get this thing on a rotisserie and get it sandblasted. Shoot, it'll be all downhill from there. Won't take long at all.